Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video, we are gonna talk about the shapes of Hamza. If you wanna know, let's start.
ألا بذكر الله تطمئن القلوب.
Okay, so most of people have a problem to know the shapes of Hamza. So we have 5 shapes for Hamza. This Hamza, when it comes separately, and when it comes above ya, and when it comes, we can close the part of ba, and wow, when it comes above wow, and when it comes above alif. So this is the 5 shapes for Hamza separately: ya, wow, alif, close to ya. Okay, Hamza when it comes above wow, for example, when I say mu'min or mu'adhin, so mu, ya, and mu'adhin. When it comes above alif, for example, mas'ala or mar'atan, mar'atan. Yup, when it comes on the shape that close to ya, for example, radi'atan or bi'atan. And when it comes separately, for example, bara'atan or yatada'al. I think that's all I can say. Inshallah, the next video. Salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.